Welcome back to Educatii, where we simplify complex economic topics for everyone. Today we're focusing on China, the world's second-largest economy, and the challenges it's currently facing. What's behind China's economic slowdown, and why does it matter to the global economy? Let's dive in. China's economy has been a powerhouse for decades, driving global growth and shaping markets worldwide. However, in 2024, China is experiencing significant economic struggles. The country's GDP growth is slowing, and key sectors like manufacturing and real estate are showing signs of stress. But what's driving this slowdown? There are several factors at play. First, China's real estate sector, which has been a critical driver of economic growth, is in trouble. Recent data shows a sharp decline in new home prices by 4.9% in July 2024, signaling deep issues within the housing market. Additionally, the manufacturing sector is also facing headwinds. Factory output weakening due to declining domestic and global demand. China's economic struggles aren't just a domestic issue, they have global implications. As China's growth slows, global supply chains, particularly in industries like electronics and automotive, could face disruptions. Additionally, countries that rely heavily on exporting raw materials to China, such as Australia and Brazil, may experience economic slowdowns. The weakening Chinese yuan is another factor, potentially leading to more competitive Chinese exports, but also adding pressure on global currency. So what's next for China? The Chinese government is likely to implement measures to stabilize the economy, including potential stimulus packages aimed at boosting consumer spending and supporting troubled sectors. However, the effectiveness of these measures remains uncertain. For the global economy, China's struggles could mean a prolonged period of slower growth and increased volatility in global markets. In summary, China's economic struggles in 2024 are a complex mix of domestic challenges and global implications. As we continue to monitor the situation, it's crucial to stay informed and understand how these developments could impact us all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Educatii for more insights on the global economy.